Hello and welcome to Stride ERP training. In this video, I will show you how to approve your employees' timesheets. Okay, to get started, click Team Profile, click My Team. Okay, now you can see a list of all employees that report to you. Here I have a total of 19 employees, but I can see the first 5. Okay, to see the next set of employees, click Next, or to view all employees on one page, click this and select all. Now I can see all my employees on one page. Now there are two ways to approve timesheets. One is the batch approval method that allows you to approve multiple employee timesheets all at a go, or the single approval method that allows you to approve one employee timesheet at a time. So we'll start with a single approval method. We'll start with Victoria Daniel. So here I click on Actions. Okay, it exposes this menu. I can click on Approve Timesheet. Okay, select the month. Okay, and the week that I want to approve. The first thing that you see at the top of the page, apart from her picture, just right below her profile picture, is the shift that Victoria is assigned to work this week, the week of, or the first week of January. So Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday, that's every day of the week. She works Monday. She works 8 o'clock in the morning and closes at 5 p.m. So here I can see on Monday she clocked in at 8 o'clock, clocked out at 5 o'clock. So everything is good here. We have a total of 9 hours. On Tuesday she worked 8 o'clock to 5 p.m. So she clocked in 8, clocked out 5, giving us a total of 9 hours. Okay. And you can see there's a multiplier there, and this multiplier basically just tells you that she clocked in and clocked out the regular way. Now there's the time off on Wednesday. She had time off, so we can see that she took vacation. Okay, and this vacation was either through she could have requested it through the leave request module, or it could have been assigned to her by her supervisor through the leave assignment module. So you can see where my mouse is. Okay, so she has 9 hours off. On Thursday, she worked 8 to 6. Her regular working hours or expected working hours are 8 to 5 p.m. Okay, but somehow she worked 8 to 6. So Stride flagged that. Say she worked her regular shift 8 to 5 and an additional hour, okay, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So here you can see Stride only captured the regular hours. And now it's up to the supervisor to accept or decline this overtime. So here you can see down this column that we have a no. Okay, to accept the overtime hours, simply click no to change that to a yes, and the system will include the overtime hours in the total hours worked. Now you can see that even though it's just 1 hour, so 9 plus 1 should be 10. It's showing 10.5. That's because overtime in this system is paid at time and a half. Okay, so that is configurable. That is all done by your HR department or your finance department. They determine the rates at which overtime is paid. All right, on Friday, she worked from 10 a.m. She clocked in at 10 a.m. and clocked out at 5 p.m. So it's showing a total of 7 hours, which is a problem because she's expected to come in at 8 o'clock and leave at 5 o'clock. So 2 hours are missing here. And if you go down to the bottom, right, Stride is saying here, so I'm just going to turn off this overtime. Stride is saying here that actual hours recorded each day must be equal to all greater than scheduled hours. So each day should be equal to 9 hours. But Stride is seeing a problem here. It's saying that I can't allow you to approve this. Okay, so the approval button is missing because 2 hours are missing. and you have to account for the 2 hours as a supervisor. So what I can do here is click on line, click this, okay, and this is to tell the system where Victoria Daniel was for the last 2 hours. So I select 8 o'clock, okay, for the 2 missing hours, and select 10 o'clock. So between 8 and 10, okay, you see all these time codes here? I select the L. L stands for late. Okay, so I can tell the system that Victoria Daniel was late between 8 and 10 o'clock. Now, late in this system is not paid. It's not a paid time code. So Stride did not adjust the hours. If your company is one that pays for late, it will include the 2 hours of late in the total hours, total paid hours, and the employee will get paid for those hours that they were not at work. Okay, so now you see, as soon as I accounted for those hours, the approve button showed up. Okay, so here it now allows me to approve and go to the next step. So this is the single approval method. Okay, very straightforward. And I can do this once I approve, I go to the next employee and repeat the same steps. So I will not approve this now because I want us to go to the batch approval method. And that you can see in another training video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.